Soul Calibur VI unboxing. So yep, now cheaper on Walmart. Here's the price. You can make it. This is fun. But yes, never played this one before yet. Has a guy from Witcher. Speaking of him, his character is played by Henry Cavill, Superman himself.
From the #1 dad on television. I beg to differ, sir. Now wait just a damn minute. Joe, what's up?
Hey, come on.
What's the address?
Oh God. Make her dance. Oh crap! I did not mean to go all the way in through. Oh crap! Now I'm worried now. Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh no! Oh no! 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 Oh thank God! I thought it would break the disc. Oh Jesus! Oh God! That scared the heck out of me.
Not for you.
Why not? You got dash. You got break.
No, cut. We're good.
Why? I can't take it anymore. No, Joe, you got so much fun. Like what?
Go.
Here's the disc. Now there's a side. Just a great spot, you know. But anyway, guys, hope you guys like, comment, subscribe. Oh, you guys want to see the back one more time? Check it out. Check it out.